Hello and welcome to ID Cook with Love, and today's episode is really special. Coconut coffee energy balls. Energy balls are a perfect snack to keep in your fridge for a little pick-me-up when you're feeling peckish between meals. And being energy balls, well, we've got a supercharged recipe for you which includes our delicious coffee, my favorite ID filter coffee. How coffee brings a charming taste to your coffee balls. These energy balls are balanced vegan snack that will keep you full and energized with carbs, proteins and healthy fat, plus caffeine. You can pair a couple of energy balls with a piece of fruit like banana or apple to make them even more nutrient dense and satisfying. So without much ado, let's get started with this recipe. So here I have these ground mixed seeds. It's a mixture of walnuts, almond, cranberry. I put some pumpkin seeds into it, some flax seeds. So it's super healthy, loaded with antioxidants. So I'm going to add this to a bowl. Okay, along with this, I'm using no artificial or add-on sweeteners. I'm adding dates to it. These have also been ground to paste. You can easily do it in a food processor. Just use good quality dates. And now I'm going to add a spoon of vanilla essence. And for this recipe, I'm using ID filter coffee liquid. So this is going to give that extra delicious kick to the energy balls and obviously enhances the flavor. If you eat any other energy ball vis-a-vis you eat with instant filter coffee, this is going to give you really an amazing taste. Now I'm going to mix it. Look at this. This should be the consistency. And definitely you can add oats to it, you can add peanut butter to it, whatever you want. But the hint of coffee, like right now my kitchen is smelling of this yummy, aromatic, rich coffee flavor. All we need to do is make small truffles. Look at that. Can you imagine a 2-minute instant yummy energy dessert? So now I'm going to coat it with roasted desiccated coconut. Here we are, a little drizzle, dun, dun, dun. Lightly drizzle it, look at that. That's all we want. It's crunchy, it's yummy, and it's full of energy. And these are yummy coconut energy balls with a hint of ID Fresh instant filter coffee, which is going to blow your mind. They're so delicious and yum, and they're perfect snack for those mid-meals where you feel hungry and you want to binge on something. This is going to be your snack to go. Do you have similar recipes to share? Share them in my comment section and do try them with ID Filter Coffee next time. Bye, take care, and always remember to cook with love.